Hey everyone, I'm Lois. Today, let's employ the MSO-300 high-speed offline selective with soldering machine, which is smart, precise, and efficient. Compact all-in-one design, flex spring, preheating, soldering, all in a single machine. Panasonic servo motors power the 3-axis platform with plus-minus 0.1 mm precision. Perfect soldering airtime. Infrared preheating device at the bottom. The heating ratio can be adjusted by computer. The nitrogen production plus 15 kg lead-free solder pots, 99% less draws, premium quality Ghana rod. Handles PCBs up to 400 by 300 mm with only 7.5 kilowatts power consumption. Efficient and eco-friendly, and combines imported core parts with top Chinese suppliers, reliable and cost-efficient. And the PC control with imaging auger programming, live monitoring, and full traceability. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us now and upgrade your production with MSO-300.